Russia claims to have won the race for a COVID-19 vaccine. Russian President Vladimir Putin has given regulatory approval to a COVID-19 vaccine and named it Sputnik V, as homage to the world's first satellite launched by the erstwhile Soviet Union. Putin added that one of his daughters was inoculated and she felt better. Putin reportedly told a government meeting, and I quote, "I know that it works quite effectively, forms strong immunity, and I repeat, it has passed all the necessary checks." Unquote. Here's what we know so far about Sputnik V. It will be administered in 2 doses and consists of 2 serotypes of a human adenovirus, each carrying an S antigen of the new coronavirus, which will enter the human cell and produce an immune response. While mass rollout of the vaccine in Russia is expected to start in October, what's worrying is that the approval was granted after less than 2 months of testing and even before the phase 3 trial is conducted. Here are some of the reactions to Russia's Sputnik V vaccine. A World Health Organization spokesperson said, and I quote, "We are in close contact with the Russian health authorities and discussions are ongoing with respect to possible WHO pre-qualification of the vaccine. Pre-qualification of any vaccine includes the rigorous review and assessment of all the required safety and efficacy data." US Health Secretary Alex Azar also raised his concern. He said, and I quote, "It is important that we provide safe, effective vaccines and that the data be transparent. This is not a race to be first." Germany's health minister said, and I quote, "It can be dangerous to start vaccinating millions, if not billions of people too early, because it could pretty much kill the acceptance of vaccination if it goes wrong. So I'm very skeptical about what's going on in Russia. I would be pleased if we had an initial good vaccine, but based on everything we know, and that's the fundamental problem, namely that the Russians aren't telling us much, this has not been sufficiently tested." Director of All India Institute of Medical Sciences Dr. Randeep Guleria said, and I quote, "If Russia's vaccine is successful, then we will have to see critically whether it is safe and effective. There should not be any side effects of the vaccine and it should provide good immunity and protection." Even as Russia has declared that it has developed the world's first COVID vaccine, the world remains largely skeptical about Sputnik V.